Guys, there's a parrot in the store. Where's it at? There's a parrot somewhere in the store. Somewhere in the store, there should be a parrot. Look, guys. There it is. There it is.
Sorry about that.
The bird. They should take off in a minute. Probably will. A little tweet tweet.
How are you?
There's a bird. Wow, we got a bird on camera. Oh shit. This is gonna be a lesson. Oh, that's good to do. I just took some snapshots of it.
Go ahead and find out. No, it's okay.
Oh, it's a birdie. A bird. That's hilarious. That's he's just sitting there. Look right there. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Go up close, he's not gonna fly. Oh, snap, there's a bird. Yeah. You notice that?
Well, somebody could go like behind. Don't her fly off again.
I would like to see that. I would like to catch that on camera.
No, just leave them. Somebody's coming for him.
Really?
They're on the way. He got loose.
Oh, yeah.
I am gonna keep this phone locked on to position.
Hi, Polly.
What?
Somebody is coming to get him.
So 56 cents.
He's not really all that afraid of people.
Oh.
Okay, leave him alone. He's there.
Yeah.
Right there now.
Hello. You're on camera. Look at that. It's a bird. Like
That's close enough, Sterling.
closer. I want to get a good view.
There's that guy over there. Go tell him he's back over here now again. You know, the guy that was with the boxes. He's over here now again.
Signal the guy.
Okay, don't scare him. He knows.
I'm not.
I was hoping maybe he'd come to my hand. Come.
Oh, he's definitely on camera. My hand is too.
Come.
Best thing that happens to this store all day. Right?
No, if you don't come to somebody's hand, they're going to kill you. They will.
And they'll make
They will. They can't have them in the store.
you sane.
Sterling, stop it.
You insane. You almost literally smacked my phone out of my hand. You want to wake this stuff? You see what's sweet? Wow, I'm holding it upside down. That's great.
Let me see what you got of them.
Oh, I'm not done yet. Turn around. I'm gonna post this
Oh,
on.
there you went.
Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Leave them, Sterling.
Wow.
Somebody's coming.
Get in the box. Wow, that was easy. Ew. This is like a game. Only there's no messing
Don't
around.
throw them outside if somebody's coming to get them.
And there he goes. God. Video's getting too long. Okay, he will be getting. They will be getting him. Look. Oh, there he goes again. Well, bye.